What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Gray's Trading Post. Today we'll be opening two 2020 Panini Contenders draft picks blaster boxes. To be honest, I don't know a lot about this draft class, so help me out. Write in the comments if I pull something crazy. I know, like, I'm looking for James Wiseman, LaMelo Ball, Anthony Edwards, guys like that. But if I pull something that I don't go crazy about, let me know in the comments. So we're going to see if we can pull something insane. I'm hoping I can get a low-numbered autograph of a top rookie, maybe a 1/1, something like that. That'd be really cool. So let's try this out. All right. Got Rui Hachimura, Kawhi Leonard, Onyeka Okongwu, red parallel of Donovan Mitchell, Jason Tatum, and another Donovan Mitchell. I've got to go quick, so I'm basically just going to make one stack and a few autographs and rookies on the side. Got Zion Williamson, LaMarcus Aldridge, Jalen Brunson winning ticket, Killian Tilly, DeAndre Ayton, and Klay Thompson. Man, did you guys hear about Klay Thompson's injury again? He's out for the full season. Sorry for him. I hope he can come back stronger than ever. Really sucks that he has to go through that. All right, we got Donovan Mitchell here, Blake Griffin, Georgia mascots. I haven't seen that before. Interesting. Marvin Williams, 16/99 winning ticket. Steph Curry, Karl-Anthony Towns. All right, pack number 4. Got Trae Young, Jason Tatum, Corey Brewer winning ticket, Paul Reed red parallel autograph, Devontae Graham, and Al Horford. Karl-Anthony Towns, DeAndre Ayton, Theo Maledon, red parallel of DeAndre Ayton, Kyrie Irving, and Lonzo Ball. Al Horford, Steph Curry, Kemba Walker, Cassius Winston, CJ McCollum, Lauri Markkanen. Lonzo Ball, Devontae Graham, mascots, Onyeka Okongwu red 2020 draft class parallel, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, and Buddy Hield. Right, that's the first box. Got a decent autograph. I honestly am not sure if he's a top draft pick or anything. So let me know in the comments. Paul Reed. So box number 2 right here. John Morant, Victor Oladipo, Precious Achiuwa, Damian Lillard red parallel, James Harden, D'Angelo Russell. Buddy Hield, Kemba Walker, Mike Bibby, Killian Hayes, Jimmy Butler, Pascal Siakam. D'Angelo Russell, De'Aaron Fox, another mascot, David Robinson winning ticket, RJ Barrett, and Drew Holiday. Pascal Siakam, James Harden. There we go. Number 1 pick, Anthony Edwards. And Sam Merrill, red parallel auto. Carmelo Anthony. Drew Holiday, Jimmy Butler, JJ Redick, Bradley Beal, red parallel, Kevin Durant, Damian Lillard. Last 2 packs. Kevin Love, RJ Barrett, Onyeka Okongwu, another mascot card, Bradley Beal, and Devin Booker. All right, last pack. Anthony Davis, Carmelo Anthony, Justice Winslow, Tony Delk, red parallel winning ticket, Joel Embiid, and JJ Redick. All right, that's the break. Let's go through the hits really quick. We got an Anthony Edwards number 1 pick, rookie. Sam Merrill, rookie auto. Paul Reed, auto. Marvin Williams, number 99, blue parallel, winning ticket. And those were the big cards. I don't know anything about these rookie autos, so let me know down in the comments if there were any top picks or anything like that. But I do know he was the first pick in the draft, Anthony Edwards. That's a pretty good rookie to get. All right, thank you guys. Like this video, subscribe if you like this channel, share as much as you can. That helps a ton for this channel, so thank you guys. And if you want to go see pictures of these cards on Instagram, go check me out at Grace Trading Post. Thank you.